boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading a story about two best friends. Who is your best friend and what kind of activities do you like to do with them? Our story today is called Bird and Bear, and it's written and illustrated by Anne James. Remember, this is our front cover. This is the back cover. Inside, we have the pages. On the pages, we have the pictures and the words. All right. So what kind of adventures do you think Bird and Bear might go on today? Let's see. Bird and Bear. Today is Bear's birthday. Tap, tap, tap. Wake up, Bear. Morning, Bird, says Bear. Would you like some breakfast? Happy birthday, Bear, Bird says. Here's a present. It's a peanut. It has 2 delicious nuts inside. How thoughtful, says Bear. Thanks, Bird. What shall we do today? Get dressed, Bear, says Bird. Quick, Bear, get your feet on. Who's that? asks Bird. That's my friend, the other bear, says Bear. He looks just like you, Bird says. Is that another bear, or is that Bear's reflection in the mirror? Is it a trolley day or a brawly day, Bear? asks Bird. It's a trolley day, says Bear. So let's take a picnic. A birthday picnic, says Bird. And a red bucket might come in handy. All aboard, calls Bear. Off we go, calls Bird. Out the gate they walk. Down the street, across the crossing. Through the park they go. Over the beach, up the steps. To the pier. We're here, says Bear. Look, says Bird. The other bear is here too. So he is, says Bear. There's another bird who looks just like you. How about that, says Bird. My tummy's rumbling, says Bear. It must be picnic time. Oh, calls Bird. The other bear's gone. Maybe he's over here, says Bear. Here they both are, says Bird. That's good, says Bear, as he gets the picnic ready. One for me, one for you, and one for the other bear, says Bear. And some crumbs for the other bird, says Bird. Suddenly the water goes wobbly. Oh! Where did their reflections go? They can't see them anymore. So, not another bear, says Bear. And not another bird, says Bird. Then Bear smiles. Let's play a birthday game, he says. And let's take the red bucket, says Bird. Oh, what kind of game are they playing? Looks like they're throwing rocks into the bucket. Hello, other bear. Hello, other other bird, says Bear. Goodbye, other bear. Goodbye, other bird. Oh no, now they're throwing the rocks into the water so that the reflections don't show anymore. Time to go, says Bear. All aboard. Off we go again, calls Bird. Along the pier they walk. I like having a friend who is just like me, says Bear. Down the steps. Me too, says Bird. And over the beach. Still, says Bear. It's good to have a friend who is different. Yes, it is, says Bird. Through the park they go. Nice to have someone to chat to, says Bird. Across the crossing. Very nice, says Bear. And down the street. Do you have a bird day, Bird? asks Bear. I have a hatch day, she says. And it's quite soon, actually. They step off at Bear's gate. We could do something special for your hatch day, Bird, says Bear. Let's, she says. See you tomorrow, Bird. See you tomorrow, Bear. The end. Bear and Bird did lots together today. I want you to think about your best friend and what you like to do together. See you later.